Some apartments feel expensive before you notice a single piece of furniture. You walk in and everything feels calm. The lighting is soft. The proportions feel right. Nothing competes for your attention. Even if you cannot explain why, your brain immediately tells you this place is luxurious. Then there are apartments with designer furniture, marble countertops, and expensive decor that somehow still feel ordinary. That is because luxury is rarely about how much you spend. It is about the decisions you make before you buy anything. Today, I want to show you the 7 design principles that separate an average apartment from one that feels like it belongs in a $10,000 a month luxury building. The best part is that almost every one of these can be recreated in a rental without renovating, drilling into walls, or spending a fortune. Once you understand these principles, you will start noticing them everywhere, from luxury apartments to boutique hotels to professionally designed homes. Let's start with the biggest difference of them all. Luxury apartments use layers, not one source of light. The fastest way to make an apartment feel cheap is relying on one bright ceiling light. Builders install overhead fixtures because they are practical, not because they are beautiful. Walk into almost any luxury apartment in the evening and you will notice something different. The ceiling light is often off. Instead, the room is built from layers. A floor lamp in one corner, a table lamp beside the sofa, a picture light washing artwork with warm light, soft under cabinet lighting in the kitchen. The room glows instead of shines. That is the difference. Think of lighting like music. One instrument playing loudly is never as rich as an orchestra. Instead of buying more decorative objects, buy another light source. Nothing changes the feeling of a room faster. The second principle is something most renters accidentally get wrong. Luxury apartments understand scale. Many people buy furniture and decor that are too small because it feels safer. A tiny rug, tiny lamps, tiny artwork, tiny coffee tables. Ironically, all of those small pieces make the room feel smaller. Luxury apartments almost always go bigger. The artwork is oversized, the rug reaches well beyond the sofa, the curtains stretch nearly from ceiling to floor. Even the lamps have substantial shades. Large pieces simplify a room, small pieces create visual noise. If your budget only allows one upgrade, choose one larger statement piece instead of several smaller decorative items. Your apartment will immediately feel more intentional. The third principle might surprise you. Luxury apartments know when to stop decorating. One of the hardest design skills to learn is restraint. Many of us think every shelf needs accessories, every corner needs a basket, every table needs 3 decorative objects. Luxury apartments rarely work that way. Designers intentionally leave empty space. That empty space gives your eyes somewhere to rest. It allows the beautiful pieces to actually stand out. Walk around your apartment today and ask yourself one question. What could I remove? Not what could I add? What could I remove? Sometimes luxury is subtraction. The fourth principle is something your hands notice almost as much as your eyes. Materials matter more than color. Many people chase luxury with bold colors. Luxury designers usually chase texture instead. Imagine 2 rooms. One has bright accent colors everywhere. The other uses warm whites, linen, natural wood, brushed brass, matte ceramics, woven baskets, soft cotton, and stone. Which one feels more expensive? Usually the second. Luxury apartments often have surprisingly restrained color palettes. Instead of excitement coming from color, it comes from materials. Your eyes notice the softness of linen, the warmth of wood, the subtle texture of ceramic. The richness comes from variety you can almost feel. That is why replacing synthetic-looking materials with natural-looking textures often transforms a room more than repainting an entire wall. The fifth principle ties everything together. Everything looks like it belongs together. Luxury apartments have consistency. The metals match. The woods complement each other. The textiles share similar tones. Nothing feels accidental. That does not mean everything has to come from the same furniture collection. Professionally designed homes almost never do. Instead, every piece feels like it was invited into the room on purpose. If you have black hardware in one area, polished chrome in another, bright gold elsewhere, rustic farmhouse accents, industrial lighting, coastal baskets, and glam mirrors all competing together. Your brain reads the room as unfinished. Luxury comes from editing. Before buying your next piece, ask yourself one simple question. Does this continue the story my apartment is already telling, or does it start an entirely different story? The sixth principle is one of the biggest differences between ordinary apartments and luxury ones. Luxury apartments hide everyday life. They are not necessarily cleaner, they simply reveal less. Phone chargers disappear, remote controls have a home. Mail is not sitting on the counter. Cleaning supplies are hidden. Paper towels are tucked away. Soap bottles match. The expensive feeling comes from visual calm. When your eye is not constantly interrupted by functional objects, it notices the architecture, the furniture, and the styling instead. This is why decorative trays work so well, why matching containers matter, why cord management makes such a dramatic difference. You are not hiding your life, you are simply choosing what deserves attention. Finally, there is one principle almost nobody talks about. Luxury apartments create an experience. Luxury is sensory. It is not just visual. Think about checking into a five-star hotel. The lighting is warm. The room smells incredible. The bedding feels soft. The towels feel substantial. The room is quiet. Everything encourages you to slow down. Your apartment should do the same. Maybe it is a signature candle that always smells the same. Maybe it is plush towels. Maybe it is high quality bedding that makes climbing into bed feel like an event. Maybe it is a diffuser quietly filling the room with a subtle scent. Luxury is how your apartment makes you feel after a long day. That feeling is worth far more than another decorative accessory sitting on a shelf. Now step back and notice something interesting. None of these 7 principles required a major renovation. None required knocking down walls. None required custom cabinetry. Most people think luxury comes from expensive furniture. It does not. Luxury comes from intentional choices. Layer your lighting. Choose larger pieces instead of more pieces. Leave room for your eyes to rest. Invest in texture over trends. Create consistency. Hide everyday clutter. Build an experience instead of simply decorating a room. That is why some apartments feel like they belong in a $10,000 luxury building, while others, despite spending far more money, never quite get there. Because expensive apartments are not designed to impress you. They are designed to make you feel comfortable the second you walk through the door. And once you understand that difference, you will never look at your own apartment the same way again. If you enjoyed this video and want more renter-friendly ideas that make your apartment look and feel expensive, subscribe to Lovely Living. Every week, I share practical upgrades, designer-inspired principles, and affordable finds that help you create a home that looks far more luxurious than it costs. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 principles do you think would make the biggest difference in your apartment right now? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.